episode of Family Tea Time. Today's video I'll show you how you could use the Jamaican Stinking Toe, otherwise called Locust, to make a punch. So you can see me cracking open the fruit. It has a hard shell and it is very powdery in taste. The smell is a bit strong, however it doesn't taste bad. I will boil the stinking toe, and you should see that here in the video. My sister's tasting that, and yikes, it really has a strong smell. So for the ingredients, I'll have included in the description a list of all the things I've used. However, for the purpose of the video, I have put the ingredients inside the blender ahead of time so that it would not be long. Alright, and I'll have here the vanilla. It's Benjamin's vanilla, Lasco vanilla, Lasco. I have nutmeg, sunshine snack fruit and nut peanut, and of course the stinking toe. So you're gonna blend all the ingredients, put all of them in the blender. The vanilla Lasco, it gives the stinking toe a lighter brown color because of the nature of the milk. So that's the finished product, guys. Thanks for watching. I've tasted it and trust me, it's amazing. You could try it sometimes. Enjoy.